So I talked about my 7-step system, and I want to go on a deeper dive in each part of the system to where I can show you how you can properly get the results that you're looking for and get to that ultimate target, which is a 750 credit score. And I want to show you how to get there, but I'm gonna go deep dive in each part of the system so you can have a clearer vision and a better understanding so you can go ahead and reach your goals and knock out all your targets and knock out all the goals that you really want to get. So you already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. Welcome back to the #1 credit educational system. Hey, my name is Dave, where I show you how to remove negative items off your credit report, how to build a relationship with those banks, and how to get to that money. So, and the first part of our system is having the end in mind. So what you want to do is understand what you really want. If you want a house, if you want a car, if you want personal business funding, first you got to get clear on the picture that you really want so you can identify how to actually get there, so we can create actionable steps to actually get to that ultimate goal. So if that's a house, I want you to actually go look at that house. I want you to go identify the house, the area that you actually want to stay at. Once you identify the area that you want to stay at, go talk to a realtor, go talk to a broker, go talk to somebody, a loan officer, go talk to somebody that you might know when it has to do with this house, so you can understand what it takes to get there. What credit score do you need? What kind of documents you need to actually start doing so you can actually get to that house? What how many years of taxes that you need to have? Understanding how many bank statements that you need to have. Understanding everything that you need for this process so you can have a clearer picture, a clearer understanding on what you really want. And once you identify the steps that you really want, then we're going to basically take the leap forward to actually get there. So if you have bad credit, I'm gonna show you step by step in my previous videos on how to get there. The key to actually getting things removed off your credit report is setting up the credit bureaus, right? So go ahead and grab my secret letter. The link is in the description so you can actually start setting up the credit bureaus to start getting them items deleted off your credit report. I have many clients that use this letter, just this one letter, just to get some things removed off your credit report. Of course, it's gonna take time, but the first thing you gotta do is set up the credit bureaus. But what I really want you to do is just have a clearer picture on what you want. So like I said, if that's a house, I just want you to go visit the house area, or go visit the house that you want to go purchase, go visit the area you want to go purchase, go visit the school area you want to have your kids at. If you have kids, I just want you to go ahead and start doing that process, because it's not going to happen until you actually have the end in mind. So the next thing you want to do is, if you're trying to get a car, I want you to go test drive that car. I want you to go actually feel the car. So once you get the car, it's not going to feel like you already know that you're supposed to have it. So just go test drive. You can go on Turo. You can go on different websites to actually start test driving the car that you really want. So just go ahead and test drive it, because within 6 to 12 months, depending on your credit, because I don't want you to put no money down. So if you have a low credit score and you don't have a 680 or higher, I want you to go ahead and start improving your credit so you can go ahead and get this car no money down, so you can go ahead and have better interest rate and have a low monthly payment. So go test drive that car. If you want the Mercedes with the red seats, if you want the BMW with the red seat, if you want the Tesla, if you want the G-Wagon, whatever car you want, you can have it. Just got to put in the work. You got to get the things removed off your credit report so you can get to that ultimate goal. If you want personal funding, if you want business funding, if you want $50,000, $100,000 in personal funding, it's easy, right? All you got to do is know this system. Get the things removed off your credit report, build your credit profile up, make sure you don't have no missed payments, make sure your utilization is below 10%, right? Make sure you have at least average age of a 1 year plus. Make sure you have less than 5 hard inquiries on each credit bureau. So once you start applying, you can apply for like 3 to 4 banks at each time. So you can go ahead and get $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 in funding and use that money to help you build up your business. And this is how you actually get to the end in mind, the clear vision on what you really want. So if you want personal funding, go sign up with 3 to 4 banks, so that when it's time for you to actually apply, it's much easier. You'll get instantly approved. So it's just a system. You just gotta go ahead and take the leap of faith and go ahead and put in the work so you can go ahead and get to that ultimate goal that you really want. Because the target is 750 higher credit score, so you can have a better interest rate. So you have to put no money down on the things, and you don't have to be wasting money. So go ahead and knock out this target. Go ahead and crush your goals, because I really want to help you. If you need help, if you need my assistance, go ahead and reach out into the comments, and I'm more likely to be able to help you get to where you want to be. So you already know what time it is. go ahead and take action, and I'll see you on the other side of good credit.